Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we'll discuss about less than option and highlight cell rules. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class, right? So in the sheet one, I have included some data, right? Included some data. So for this data, so I have to use the less than symbol, right? So I'll just select this. I'll try to select these things and here I will click on highlight cell rules and click on less than, right? So if you click on less than and if I type 45, right? And click on OK. So which is less than 45, right? Which is less than 45, the cell values will be highlighted with the red color, right? The red color, right? So same way you have to click on the highlight cell rules and click on less than. And if I click on F75, or you can change the color also. If it is less than 75, you have to click on yellow, right? So the values become yellow in color, which is the values which are less than 75. So in this way, we can use the less than. For example, if I use this thing and right and click on less than, right? And here I will write electric, right? And click on OK. So is there any uh, is there any cell is affected? No, right? Because electric is the lowest one. For example, WC, CW, and N, and we are having W and N, right? The first letters. So which is greater than E, right? So, but we are asking add the color which is less than E, right? Which is less than E, right? So that's why there is no any word which is less than electric, which is less than E. So that's when it is the row is not affected anything. For example, if I write E, right? ECTRAC, right? See here, E and E are same, right? And after that, L and C are, we are having C, right? So L is greater than C, right? So which is less than electric, right? Now, which is less than electric, right? So you have to check on each alphabet. So first of all, you have to select E, and after that L and C, and E and E, C, T, R, I, C. So you have to check it in the alphabetical order. So, but here we can see, right? C is less than L, right? So this, now this condition is, it will work C. So I will select all this thing and C is already highlighted. So click on less than, and if I write electric, right, and click on OK, right, right. So it is affected. Why it is affected? Because we have done that less than option in that row. So whatever if I write boy, so it will automatically turn into the red. See, it will automatically turn into the red. If I write apple, it will automatically turn into the red because this row is affected with the less than highlight cell rules, right? Right. So in this way, we can use the less than option and the highlight cell rules, right? If you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat and I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.